If there are any underground, overground, overhead telephone, electricity wire रहा आणि या मोठा within 15 meters wire रहा का ना? This is how many meters? And here it is saying they are not available meters. The answer is not available meters. Is there any term called not available meters? So this is another reason why the project has to be cancelled. See the number of violations by their own black and white. They don't mind. These violations are by their own rules and regulations. What they have written and given to us, stamped and signed under RTI. Then the next is vertical clearance between the highest point of the building and the electric line. Vertical clearance. So I don't know now how much vertical will go.
Vertical there is no line.
Yeah. Anyhow, there is no line vertical, but definitely the distance between.
It's less than 50 meters. Even vertical, it will be less than 50 meters.
No, 15, 1.5.
Vertical must be on top.
Horizontal clearance between the proposed building and the existing electric.
Yeah, this is a horizontal.
So this is a horizontal. And they are saying not applicable meters. What is this applicable meters? NA meters. This they have to answer us properly, or we will challenge this RTI. This RTI
It has to be challenged. It has to be challenged.
this when the RTI is incomplete, we will file an appeal against this RTI for not giving complete information. When the information is complete, the RTI applicant, here it was filed by Suraj Surankar. So we will file now an appeal against this RTI because they have not given all the complete answers to our queries. And we need to know what is this NA meters? Is there something called NA meters? Have you heard before? Okay, then there is whether any extra FAR is claimed on the basis of road widening proposed road. I don't know what is this. And they are saying again it's blank. Area on the road widening. Whether such road widening area or area on the proposed road has been gifted to the local body if he has submitted relevant documents. Okay, anyhow. Now the main thing is what we have asked is what the High Court has clearly specified that when a project is cleared by the TCP, the technical clearance is given by the TCP. Based on that, Panchayat gives the sanction. Now both the Panchayat and the TCP and the PWD had to measure this road before starting this nonsense. This is completely illegal. They did not do that. Even after the High Court has clearly specified the process of how to measure, how the road has to be measured, and then they have to declare that this road has a minimum width of 6 meters. No, sorry, 8 meters. 6 meters? 6 meters. So here they are claiming the road access is 15 meters. This is all blatant lies because they know most of our Goenkars they keep quiet. They look at the board. आम्ही किती करतले आता? The attitude is what? काय ते पडला?
Cemetery is also.
It is in this fellow's neighborhood. Now this is a very strong point. The parish priest of this church must be requested. Is he here?
Yes.
Huh? Sorry. Father, please give a written objection because this violates the sanctity of the cemetery. Am I right?
Yes.
So when they violate the sanctity of the cemetery, our elders are sleeping there, and this is a disturbance. Even the dead have no peace in Goa. Can you imagine? The living people have no peace in Goa, and the dead also cannot sleep in peace in Goa. Because of the Delhi walas who come and destroying Goa. Whoever they come from, wherever they come from, we don't want these projects. And this has to set an example for any future project. Anybody builder wants to come to Goa or Oshel, they will meet the same fate as this project will meet.
So what do we do now?
Well, I'll explain to you. We are pointing the violations. So if they are violated and if the project is not stopped today, if the Panchayat doesn't stop this project today, we will initiate legal action and stop it. Because there are not just 2 or 3 violations. By their own words, their own black and white documents, these are the violations. I am not saying it. Their own document is saying it because nobody goes to verify it.
Do we need to send something to them in writing about this?
We have already sent in writing. We have already given a written representation. Bluma, you have got a copy?
Yes.
Please show them. If anybody wants to read that, it's a 2-page representation. 219 resident people of Oshel have signed this document, complaint. And based on that complaint, today's inspection is called today by the panchayat. Based on the complaint.
You can bring stay, no? All these.
Yeah, see,
So immediately they can stop
we
the
want the panchayat to bring stay on all these grounds, not just one ground of the width of the road.
Yeah.
We want them to get a stay on all the grounds we have. Now we have just discussed. Otherwise, what will happen? They will go and get a stay on the order of the work stop order. That is what they do. They go and they bribe or whatever. They go to the panchayat, director of panchayat, and get a stay on the work stop order. So this is all drama happens, and we know how to vacate that stay also. So we are used to it. Okay, we will fight till the end. We will fight till the end. Let them sink the money. We will make them. We will make them
Break it.
restore it to the original state.
And
Every
replantation.
We have to. They have to restore it and plant 10 times more,
Yeah, 10 times.
and not saplings.
Big tree.
Transplant the trees from any other place where they are destroying. No, transplant it and plant big trees. Because the saplings is no use. It's like grass. We need big trees. So these are the facts which I have got. I got a full file of all the details of the entire project, the plan and everything, and we have. I was just researching it last night, so that we can point by point. Now what they are saying is, another place they are saying what? They are permitted to occupy 60% of the space. Okay. So one side they are saying 60%, and another document they are saying they are occupying 75%. Imagine, the entire plot area has been planned for construction of almost 75%, which is again another violation.
It's only 60%.
So either it is 60% or 75%. So huh?
60 is it.
Officially it's 60, but if you calculate all the villas that are coming, it is more than 60%. Because this is the manipulation they do in connivance with the panchayat and the DCP. They are all involved in this. They know everything. As High Court has clearly said that all the road width measurement has to be signed by the chief town planner. Here they have not done that. Who has to sign this? Because what happens? They wash their hands. What they do is panchayat blames the DCP, DCP blames the panchayat, then panchayat blames the PWD, and the circus goes on and they fool the people of Goa. So that is why the High Court of Bombay at Goa has specified that every approved project has to be signed by the chief town planner only after inspection of the road width, which is not done. We asked them the document. Where is the chief town planner's report of the road of the width of the size? Actual road, not this.
Existing.
We are not interested in Mati Gobar. We are interested in the actual road where the vehicles can move. So based on that, this is the violation, major violation of the road width. Secondly, they are going to have here septic tanks and they are going to have soak pits. You know what happens when there are septic tanks and soak pits. And when you have such a lovely spring, that is the most dangerous. And as per the wetland rules, springs come on the wetland. It's part of the wetland. Under the wetland rules, you have to have a minimum distance of 50 to 100 meters. Where is the distance? As per the WRD, the distance is only 28 meters. So this is another reason why we have to stop this project. So we are hoping that this project will be stopped in the next 24 hours. We want an order from the panchayat for the next 24 hours. The people of Ashel and Sioli will act on this project. Do you agree?
Yes.
We have no other option but to stop this project immediately. Difference between the proposed building and the existing electric or any other line. What is the distance? Not available meters. Not available. What is this? Any meters?
Department technical.
Yeah.
So now they only do after notification.
No, I'm just bringing to your notice. We have just discussed this matter. Number two, width of the access 15 meters. 15 meter width access. Okay. I'm telling you briefly. I'm not. Now, see, if the property is in the vicinity within 100 meters of the cemetery, crematorium, give the distance from the boundary wall of the cemetery and crematorium. Road width and also project to the cemetery.
No, now we have come only
Road and cemetery.
Stay Korea.
Stay Korea.
Whatever other questioning, whatever other inspection you want to do,
Yeah.
we will cooperate.
Okay, okay.
So, I say hard word because we will have to stick to the notice which we have issued
okay, okay.
upon your complaint.
Okay,
Okay. ते बसून separate गा,
आणि हे पळया.
separate करूया.
Oh, wire, vertical पे यहाँ नहीं.
हाँ.
Wire, It's
Okay.
within 15 meters.
But all of these things are as per their
Yeah. So I'm going to notice. Many times what happens, they pass without reading.
start
Whatever
measuring.
reason.
Questioner किती हा नाही ना तर this is before TCP.
Madam, तुम्ही दिला पळया आमका.
Yeah, look कळले. आता पण RTI. It has to be looked by the end inspection.
I agree with you. What we are saying is, we want to bring on record.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely will be with your.
Because this is the only opportunity for the people of Oshel
Yes.
to bring on record all the violations.
Yes.
The road width, the distance between the wire and here, the distance between the project and the cemetery. These three things.
Also the
TCPचे क्लिअरन्स मॅडम करून ते परमिशन दिता पंचायत
इन्फॉर्मेशनच फेक दिला आणि
आणि
त्यांनी
कितें न्हू हो एज्युकेशन तुमचोच न्हू हो एज्युकेशन सगळ्या आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांक भायल्यांनी तापय तांकां
Allow them amend.
कळ्ळें?
They have to be stopped. Okay.
As per the point number 4 of the complaint, तितून घातल्या न्हू complaint state that there is no 6 meters wide road at the existing road. As the existing road is width is only 3 to 4 meters. ह्या हेचेर न्हू आमी इन्स्पेक्शन काडलेलें आसा तें आमी इन्स्पेक्शन करया कित्याक हांव तेंचे कडेन उलयतालें की तुमचो कोण आसा काय म्हणून सांगपाक कित्याक इट शूड नॉट गो दॅट वी हॅव डन इन्स्पेक्शन इन देयर एब्सन्स नोटीस तांकां दिल्ली आसा तर
Their representative is there.
Yeah.
That is sufficient.
Caption multi-dwelling housing project will cause irreversible damage to village environment as the village is home at 5 Goa government notified heritage trees which are rich in minerals and widely used for the people for the purpose of drinking and cooking. That the large-scale cutting of trees for the Caption 2 building dwelling housing project will cause the groundwater to drop as these are within the catchment area of 5 springs of Oshel besides causing soil erosion. Okay, then third point that the construction of large size septic tank in these two captioned projects not only threatens the contamination of the groundwater aquifer but also the springs water flow in particular to the project in survey number 51/21 of Oshel village as it's within 28 meters of the spring and large amount of cement and steel being poured in the ground will cause irreversible environmental damage to the groundwater flow to the spring. Both the above captioned multi-dwelling housing projects do not have the mandatory 6 meters wide right to way road as mandatory under the Goa Land Development Building Construction Regulation 2010 as the existing road width is only in the range of 3 to 4 meters. Therefore, this is a serious violation of law. In this context, we request the village panchayat of Oshel to please conduct an urgent inspection and measure the road width. Fifth point, we also request the village panchayat of Oshel to appoint hydrologist or any other expert of the Goa State Wetland Authority and the Water Resources Department to mark the catchment area of 5 Oshel springs and ensure that no construction is allowed within this area and its periphery. That the garbage generated by the Caption 2 projects will cause immense pressure on garbage recycling and disposal. 7th point, that the Public Work Department water supply means PWD water supply has been very irregular and the flow of water very limited for essential use. Therefore, the already stretched water pipeline will be under immense pressure as each of the captioned dwelling units will have individual swimming pools and therefore cause immense pressure on the water supply infrastructure. For this reason, this captioned housing project license need to be revoked. As these two 8 point, as these two captioned multi-dwelling projects will require substantial power supply for their housing and air conditioning, water filtration, internal street lighting, besides their domestic use, etc. The already stretched electricity power lines will cause immense pressure on the power supply. Then 9 point, none of these multi-dwelling units will utilized by the Gaushal Shualin villagers, and therefore the large influx of the people in our village will cause immense social cultural differences and disrupt the demography of our village. That in the last paragraph, that in the light of the above facts, the undersigned resident of village Panchayat of Oshel demands that the construction licenses issued to both the captional project be revoked and appropriate stop work notice be issued as per law in order to safeguard our village environment, as our very survival is at stake.
Not notices, order.
Order.
Stop work order.
Okay. So now इथून असं आपण point as per point वाइज सांगता.
मॅडम आमची रिक्वेस्ट करू आयज सगळे मेजरमेंट कंप्लीट करूया फक्त मेजरमेंट माय रिक्वेस्ट मेजरमेंट
आम्ही हा न्हू जाल्यार तुमकां आमी एज अ सरपंच म्हणून येता पूण लेट सेक्रेटरी प्रिपेर फॉर ओन रिपोर्ट वी विल बी
नो माय वी हैव व्हाट
yes I am there with
सी नाउ
measurement our
मैडम काम तो बराबर खाली मुरगुआ के लिए साइड मेजर के लिए एंड ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट हियर
because in between of that property church property is also coming.
No, only the road width.
This width will
No,
come
no, no.
in,
See, this is the boundary of the property. Now from here.
Very good, Abhijit. Perfect. Nice.